we are headed down to Naples, Maine, the Causeway, for a antique car and boat show. And it is where Long Lake and Brandy Pond meet. And it's the heart of the lakes region in Maine, as they say. Should be a good day. Looking up Long Lake, which is 11 miles long, a mile wide at its widest point, an average depth of about 50 feet. Under the bridge, which is, I believe, the shortest river, it's called the Chute River, which is basically the width of the bridge. Looking into Brandy Pond, looking into south, marinas, very shallow through the channel here. You can see it marked out with sandbars. Great place to drop anchor and hang out. Many restaurants, drinking holes, gift shops, you name it, Naples Causeway has it. Why they call it the heart of the lakes region. Time there was a swing bridge here that opened on the signals of boats, and then it was very old, structurally weak, and was replaced with a permanent bridge. Life is good. Yes, it is. to the Naples Causeway. Checked out some boats, cool cars, great scenery. Had a slice of pizza. Decided to keep that off camera. That's it. So anytime you're up in the Lakes region, absolutely come down to the Naples Causeway. Plenty to do. Beautiful scenery, good food, great people. And that's it for now. So appreciate it if you hit like and subscribe, and we'll keep some videos coming. Thanks. I don't think this is part of the...
No, but they're doing something. I don't know.
I don't think this is part of the show.